Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today Nate was gonna be teaching us how to make paper airplanes. Okay.
Hello guys, I'm Nilo. I'm gonna make this plane into a jet. Okay. So guys, first step is move this side to this side.
First step is the easiest step, right, Nino?
Easiest. Now we're gonna flip it over. So we're gonna unfold it and then flip it over. Now we're gonna make this line go to this line like everyone does when they make paper airplanes.
Average paper airplane step.
Same thing on the other side. Now we're gonna make this line go to this line. This line to this line. Same as this. Now we're gonna flip it over. Now see this top corner? We're gonna make this top corner go all the way down here and it has to touch the line. Now we're gonna flip it over. Now we're gonna do this line to this line. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side, this line to this line. Okay, now we're gonna flip it over. Now you see this line? We're gonna bend it over that line. Now it looks like a triangle. Alright, so now we're gonna flip it over. See this line? We're gonna bend it like that. And now we're gonna bend, now it's the final step, we're gonna make the wings. So first step of making the wings is we're gonna bend this line this way. It should look exactly like this.
Okay.
And now you're gonna make this line to here, go this line, but the end part won't go on the line. It'll stay like this. Now, same thing on the other side. And now, this is the plane.
The jet.
The jet plane.
Okay, now we're gonna do a test run. Ooh, okay. Wait, let me just. Okay.
This is how to fly.
Whoa!
If you like that, please like and subscribe and follow our channel.